Hey everyone, it's me Rakhi and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to focus toward the Hatha Yoga. So basically Hatha Yoga comes from two Sanskrit word, Ha meaning sun and Tha meaning moon. In Hatha Yoga, these two opposing forces represent the balance between the active dynamic energy and the passive respective energy within the body. The practice of Hatha Yoga aims to harmonize and balance these energies, leading to a state of equilibrium and well being through a combination of physical posture, breathing, technique, meditation. Seek to unite the body and mind, aligning their energies for optimal health and spiritual health. So basically there are lots of benefit of Hatha Yoga. Before it, I just want to tell something about its history. So basically Hatha Yoga traces its root back to ancient India. In 15th century it was developed as a way to prepare the body and mind for meditation. The practice was initially intended to help individuals attain spiritual enlightenment by balancing and purifying their physical and mental states. Over time, Hatha Yoga evolved to include various physical posture and breathing exercise. These practices aim to promote physical health, mental clarity, and spiritual growth. Today, Hatha Yoga is one of the most widely practiced form of yoga worldwide, with millions of people incorporating it into their daily routines. So there are a lots of benefit of Hatha Yoga. The first one is that physical fitness. Regular practice of Hatha Yoga can improve strength, flexibility, and balance. A study published in the Journal of Alternative and Complementary Medicine found that participants who practice Hatha Yoga for 12 weeks experienced significant improvement in flexibility and balance. The second one is stress reduction. Hatha Yoga emphasizes mindful breathing and relaxation technique which can help reduce stress and promote a sense of calmness. Research published in the International Journal of Yoga Therapy suggests that Hatha Yoga can decrease the level of cortisol, the primary stress hormone, leading to improved stress management. The third one is that mental well-being. Hatha Yoga practice such a meditation and deep breathing have been shown to enhance mental well-being to reduce symptoms of anxiety, depression. A study published in the Journal of Psychiatric Research found that Hatha Yoga intervention lead to significant reduction in depression severity among participants. The last one is that improve sleep quality. Hatha Yoga emphasize on relaxation and stress reduction may contribute to better sleep quality. Research published in the Journal of Clinical Sleep Medicine demonstrate that practicing Hatha Yoga regularly can improve sleep efficiency and decrease the time it takes to fall asleep. So there are lots of benefit of Hatha Yoga. It was the first time when I knew this वर्ल्ड की हाथा योगा नाम की भी कोई एक्सरसाइज होती है एंड आई एम वेरी क्यूरियस टू लर्न अबाउट इट. सो देर आर डिफरेंट टेक्निक इन हाथा योगा but lots of the things I done before in the yoga challenge video, so it's easy for me to do this video. So I think that in yoga there are lots of real techniques that are same like dog, downward facing and lot of yoga technique. अब मुझे name भी remember होने लग गया that what yoga I do and what we have to do, and it's really good thing. And yoga करने से I feel really good. We have to focus toward our breath. I feel really sleepy. It was 12 o'clock when I am shooting this video and I am recording this video because I am very late today to start this video, but I have to upload this video, so I just want to finish this video. And I don't know about a lot of things about yoga. I am learning. I am in a learning stage, so if I am saying anything wrong, you can correct me in comments section, and you can tell me more ways how do I improve myself. So yeah.